Hi, it had been a while, so today we're going to go some parts of the circle today. So I have my compasses here and my silver one. Yeah, I like it fancy. Alright, and then we need some ruler there to draw some lines, and then we got to those. So first of all, we have a center. Whenever we have a circle, we have a center. Alright, and then I'll open up my compasses. The pinpoint bit, out, okay? The point bit goes to the center of the circle, and then I gently swing it. Yes, this is my circle. This is my circle, this is the center. So let's label that center. So the whole bit, outside bit, is called the circumference. Alright, circumference. So the whole bit is the circumference. So let's get into some part of it. First of all is the diameter. Diameter. So it needs to be from one side to the other side of the circle going through the center. So it goes through the center, and this is the diameter. Alright, so half of the diameter, which means the center going to any points on the circle, this is the radius. Double the radius give us diameter. So that's the first bit we do. This is a diameter, this is a radius. However, when we get to a situation that the line going from one side to the others do not go through the center. So I would say that this line is a chord. Alright, so this line from one side to the others but not going through the center is a chord. It could be like this, or it could be going throughout the other side as well. As long as it doesn't go through the center, it's a chord. So this is how we code it. And one more line, which is the line outside the circle, just touching it. Okay, touch. So it just touched the circle, doesn't go through the circle. This is a tangent. We will see this word later on meaning other things, but for now, touching the straight line, touching a side of another object, another circle, this is the tangent. Alright, so this is the tangent of those. And I need another color, so bear with me. Right, so no, I don't have another color. So with that being said, I'll have blue. So I have blue here, black blue. Okay, this is blue. So, and then this line is the chord. Any part of the circle, not the full circle, part of it. This is an arc. Alright, so this is the general picture of it. Feel free to take a picture of the screen so that we can get through those. And I need another circle, so bear with me, I get the next page. Alright, so if I draw that, I have my compasses open somewhere. Part of it, this is an arc, where the center is somewhere where my points go. So this is part of an arc. If I complete the circle, alright, yeah, I moved it. Alright, if I complete the circle with that, perfect. Alright, complete the circle. This is not an arc. So if it goes back to it, this is not an arc. Part of that, that will be an arc. It could be big one, it could be small. And because it's part of the arc, I'll draw that sector here. This bit is a segment. All right, so part of the circle, as long as it doesn't go through the center, it's a segment. So then how about if the part go through the circle? So this is one radius, that is the part of them. When a part of the circle goes through the center, the whole slit, that's part of the cake, the pie. If you cut the cake nicely, the pizza nicely, that should be a sector. If you are not sharing your pizza or pie fairly, it doesn't go through the center, it's a segment. It could be a very big segment. Alright, so these are all the part of the circle, and until next time, I hope that quick video will help. And I'll see you next time. Let me know, sorry, I need to remind that. Let me know in the comment if you have other shapes we want to go through. I'll see you then.